What's so funny, TSM?
It's Marcus, he too fly. It's Marcus, he the YouTube guy. It's Marcus, too fly. It's Marcus, he too fly. It's Marcus, he the YouTube guy. It's Marcus, won't you go and hit that like? It's Marcus, won't you go and subscribe? It's Marcus, he too fly. It's Marcus, he the YouTube guy. It's Marcus, won't you go and hit that like? It's Marcus, won't you go and subscribe? It's Marcus, he too fly. It's Marcus, he the YouTube guy. It's Marcus, won't you go and hit that like? It's Marcus, won't you go and subscribe?
Hey, what it do, YouTube family? It's your boy Marcus, and today I am back with another video. But hey, before we get down with this video, I just want to tell you that I woke up early this morning and I'm already feeling good. But well, let's get this video going. But before we get down, if you're new to my channel, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, and share this video out. So let's get this going. Okay, in today's video, I'm gonna be going to the car show. Well, where we can experience some cars. That people used to drive. Not this one, but a different kind of car, like classics and stuff. And well, instead of telling you, it'll be more fun to show you. So let's go. Alright, YouTube fam, I just got out and now I'm walking to the car show. And this looks like we got an overcast today. It's gonna be at the Midway. Wow, look at all these cars here. There's a Corvette and this Camaro SS and this old school Mustang here. The old school Mustang is one of my favorites right there. Oh, look at this, an old school Camaro Z28. Oh, those are nice. And look at this Chevelle here. And the square bodies. Man, my dad used to own one of these square body trucks here. An old Ford right here. Or it looks like a Chevrolet, I don't know. But hey, here's this another step side Chevy here. And this, never seen this type of car before. Is that what I think it is? Yeah, nice.
That's where I'm from, and I'm proud to say I'm from the country. I like it that way. Everybody knows.
Oh, I've seen this car before.
Everybody calls you friend. You don't need an invitation. Kick off your shoes, come on, baby.
That purple there looks like a kind of image.
Hey, there's a slingshot here. Look at, hey, a Plymouth Barracuda. Interesting. The Jeep, the Snow White. The AMX, huh? And there's a Chevelle and this Corvette. A Plymouth Roadrunner, huh? Chevy SS and a Chevelle. I used to have this truck. Oh my gosh, Bandit! I love this type of car. I saw this car in the movie. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ooh, a hot rod. And look at this Shelby Cobra here. Wow, Look at all this. The Ford Fairlane 500, eh?
I've seen some more out there. They were going about the same price.
An Oldsmobile. Some of this truck. Hey, that's the truck my dad used to own. Those old school Rangers right there. Ah, there it is, the square bodies. Hey, is that a Bel Air? Look at this Yukon here. Hey, there it is, the lowrider. Wow. Sweet. Green is nice and all, but oh, I've seen this type of car before. There's the Oldsmobile. Wow. Hey, this looks like the old school Cadillac from some movies I be seeing. Look at this beauty here. Well, look at these Jeep Gladiators. Gladiator on 30s, huh? It's a little too big for me. I'll see about it. What the hell, chicken? Look at this old Ford crew cab right here. Standing up tall and straight and proud. There we go, there we go, there we go. Stunning 94. Hey, what's the Peterbilt doing in this car show?
How you like that, girl?
Here we go. Hold on.
There we go, man.
It still sounds good though. Wow, what a beautiful Hudson Hornet. This Commander here. Well, YouTube fam, it's about to rain and I would hate to get my clothes wet now. So well, I better head on home and get dry and fast before it rain comes. Ah, I love the sound of V8s. Well, YouTube fam, I just made it back from the car show. Oh man, the car show was amazing. I loved it. I can't wait to go back there next year and maybe they'll have something different this next year. But well guys, that's it in the video right now. But if you guys do like this video, be sure you give this thing a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, and share this video out. So, I'll see you next time on the spot. Peace out.
Audio Jungle.